What's up, gardening gang? Out in the yard today, just looking at the clouds. I don't know about you guys, but I love when the clouds look like this. It's just so, I don't know, it's like little popcorn or, I don't know, an ocean. I love it. Anyways, we are back in the weeds with the reeds, and I just wanted to show you guys what we got going on out here. So we went ahead and did some transplanting of some plants that we picked up at Home Depot, and we are just going straight in. What I loved about all of these plants is that they were all outdoors, already in the sun in this Texas heat. So I don't think that they will be too bothered now that they are in my garden, still in the same heat. So first things first, if you've ever had homegrown lettuce, preferably buttercrisp lettuce, you already know what I mean and where I'm going with this. The best lettuce in the world. Once you eat it, you literally won't want any other kind of lettuce. Iceberg lettuce is like not even close. But anyways, so we've got some buttercrisp lettuce growing. I also picked up a few flowers. Marigolds are so pretty. We've got our beautiful yellow marigolds here, and then our orange African marigolds. So marigolds hold a very aromatic scent. It works as a natural pest control or pest repellent, as well as, like, you know, keeping away mosquitoes. So this will be great whenever we get into the summertime, which we're close to. We're deep in spring. But once we get into the summer, this will work. Sitting out by the garden, just having a nice lemonade or a little cocktail. We don't have to worry about as many mosquitoes because they don't like the scent of the marigolds. Also, something else we added to our garden today, some sage. Another great repellent, natural repellent, keeps away pests and mosquitoes. So excited about that. Once this starts to grow a little bit bigger, we can pull some of the leaves off, dry them out, use them in food, or if we want, we could tie them together and put them into a nice fire to keep those mosquitoes away. No one likes mosquitoes. So something else we planted today would be our parsley and our sweet mint. Now, these leaves here that you see laying on the ground, we're pretty much going to go ahead and cut those. I'm either going to throw them into a salad or into our compost bin. But either way, if they're laying down on the dirt, we don't need them. Likely they will go ahead and die and wither off into the dirt, which is not a bad thing, but it takes away from the good leaves that are trying to soak up the sun and the water. If we don't need those, we'll go ahead and cut them off so it can give these guys a little break, if you will. So working on that next. We got some watermelons going here. They finally popped. We've still got some onion here hanging on. This just broke off. I'll let it go ahead and fertilize. We got some carrots here that are barely hanging on, but hey, something is better than nothing, right? Over here we've got our zucchini squash. So I'm pretty excited about that. Another thing to be very excited about, on our tomato plant here, we've got life, we've got action. So super excited about that. We got a tomato coming through. We've got some life and some blooming on our other two tomato plants, so I'm excited about that. Our poor bell peppers, Lord, they're hanging on. We'll see what they'll do. We started these in a windowsill. They were there for a very long time. The plant was very beautiful, but then we brought it out, separated it and put it in, and it's like not agreeing with this Texas weather. So we'll see how those do. We got some zucchini squash coming in here. Well, yellow squash, the gooseneck squash coming in. I believe that this would be cucumbers back here. Not sure, but we're hopeful. This one is a cucumber as well. So we got some life, y'all. We got to keep this guy away from our delicious vegetables. But he's been doing pretty good. And then, of course, our lovely potatoes. They're growing here in the bed. So there should be several potatoes coming in under there. But you guys, look at this stalk. Look at these leaves, this foliage. So pretty, so full. Looks so good. And ginger root. That will also be growing down in our pot. So that's the update, guys. Lovely update. The garden is coming right along. I literally cannot wait for this to get a little bit bigger so I can dig in. But anyways, that was our quick update. Until next time, guys, be good to yourself, be good to your body, and stay in the weeds with the reeds.